Good morning, everybody. Congratulations, whoever held calls first overnight. So, you guys banking money this morning at open. And let's see what's going on. I mean, Nvidia, a big ripper. Today is all about semis, futures, indexes, and the ES, and the many things are making new all time highs. So, ES is all about 50, 68, 25. If that one pass, we are good to go for a higher level. Next major level is 51.48, and that's the next major level. So watch this level if we break out. Pre-market, we are gap up, big time up. And as always, as mentioned last few days, short week theory. Weakness. I always remember when there is a holiday, a lot of times, sometimes 50%, 30%, 30% of the time it happens that it goes weak. It starts weak, mid of the week, feels like market is crashing, then boom, toward end of the week, market fly up. And today is key day, and we'll see what's gonna happen. There is a high chance, there is a high possibility some profit locking at open, and then but if you see it opens and jumps up and continues non-stop going up, then it's gonna be a non-stop runner until Friday. But if there be a pullback, there's a good opportunity to buy. Every dip is a buy today, and I'm trying to show you everything. So anyhow, pre-market right now, ES 5 minutes is upward, 15 and 30 is kind of flat. 1 hour on the ES, we got dark blue bar, but until it's not dead cross, trend is still up. 4 hour MACD got a golden cross yesterday, and we got light blue bar. So until we don't have a dark blue bar on the ES on the 4 hour TTM squeeze, trend is up. It can continue going forward maybe until mid next week. Let me just look at the economy data. Today, nothing special. We have a 30-year auction that could affect market a lot at 1 p.m. At 11:30, we have a 4 and 8 week bill auction. At 1 p.m. is the most important one. We have a lot of Fed people talking. At 3:30, Fed Harker, 5 Fed Cook. And then next week, not much economic data. On the Friday, not much. And then next week is all about uh, core PCE on Thursday. So anyhow, core PC in Thursday, that's the next key economic data. NQ, same thing like ES, 1530 MACD is already dead cross pushing a little bit, pointing downward. But if you look at the candles, they're kind of building a base right now and is staying in a tight range. 1 hour MACD is curved down, very bullish on the 4 hour, and we had dark blue bars on the daily and the TTM squeeze on weekly. Now it turned, because of this jump up, it turns light blue bar again, and it's all about 17,932.1 if you're playing futures. It's all about that. Breaks that one. Next major level is 18,200, 206. Dow Jones, point 0.5 up. This one 4 hour golden cross and jumping up. RUT is lagging behind, so keep an eye on that one. If a small cap catch up with this semis run up, it can get interesting. But we need to get a 4 hour MACD golden cross. So usually, giant caps go up like this today. That is went up, is opening up crazy up, and then later on when they cool down or slow down a little bit, and some people may take profit, then it may roll into the small caps, which it's possible to happen next week. DXY, jumping up pre-market, but so far not much effect on indexes. Just keep an eye on it. Looking very bullish pre-market. 15:30 1 hour, 4 hour is upward there. If past 104.369, it could hurt techs. TNX, pre-market opening up again, 43.71. That's a key level to watch. Kind of flat for now, but 30 and 1 hour is upward, and 4 hour it got a golden cross, but it got dark blue bar. So we'll see if it passes 43.71. It's not gonna be good. And just keep in mind, we have auction 30 years at 1 p.m. that could have a big effect on market. Any dip today is a big gift. Just keep that in mind. VIX, 7% lower. It's all about 1414. Past that one, we're looking at 1373 and 1307. Below 1373, market can get more squeezy. Pre-market right now, 15 is golden cross, 30 is upward. So if it does pass 1447 or 1479, can have more pullback in market. But in general, 4 hours dead cross, so trend is up in market, no doubt at all. SPX, new all-time high coming at open. Let me fix this one. All right, so SPX 5051. If I think we already passed that one. If we pass that, so next target is 5069, 5098, 5128. BTC, it went up, then it pulled back, so that's something interesting to note. 4 hours still not golden cross. Once that happened, then it can go for another rip up. But daily MACD, we got a dark daily TTM, because we got dark blue bars. ETH, same thing, need to get a 4 hour MACD golden cross. So let's go to equities now. Apple, good morning everybody. Please like the video, please subscribe, that helps a lot. Apple opening above 183.2. 4 hour got a golden cross yesterday before even market open. So today watch 183.97. Pre-market 5 is up, 1530 kind of flat. 1 hour is still very bullish. 183.97 pass. Next target is 185.21, 186.45. If Apple breaks 183, market can go squeeze up even higher. It's a big cap there, so every big move there can lift up market big. Amazon ripping up higher. Finally, Jeff Bezos is done. Futures are very green, helping it run up. It's all about 173.24. If that one passes, we're looking at 174.84, 177.43, and 180.02. Keep an eye on Amazon. I like that the 4 hour is golden cross, and this one, my target is on the all-time high this season. Yeah. So Nvidia. Everybody loves Nvidia today. Pre-market right now, 5 is pointing down. We're getting into a oversold zone right now. 15 is downward, 30 is downward, 30 MACD is dead cross, but the 1 hour we still don't have a dark blue bar, and we are very bullish on the 4 hour. So it's all about 754. All-time high is 746. Hopefully it opens above that, so makes a new all-time high. But if it doesn't hold that open, next support is 745, 739. Doubt it goes below 739 today, but just look at these levels in case it pulls back and jumps up. So as I mentioned, any dip opportunity is an opportunity to buy. So in this case, 5 minutes is downward, 3 minutes MACD. I have another chart on another screen I'm watching right now. That one is downward too. So once you see it 3 minutes and 5 minutes MACD golden cross, it can go for another run up. Once it 3 minutes, 5 minutes MACD golden cross, if the 15 minutes MACD golden cross confirms past 754, next target is 767, 789, and next major level is 811.02. My long target is 883, and I'm expecting it to come this season. Not sure when, but this season. AVGO, big gap up there too. Pre-market 515 is dead cross. 1264 is support in case it pulls back at the open, but need to pass 1274 for run up to 1290, 1303, and 1316. Baba, 75.37 and 76.38. These are the two key levels right now to watch. Breaks either way can make a bigger move. In general, trend is up on Baba. Every dip is getting bought and goes up again, but it's just a choppy moves. It's not like solid back-to-back green days. Weekly is very bullish. Daily is very bullish. I need to pass 76.38 for run up to 78.02 and 79.65. Netflix. Netflix gap up open, but in general, just keep in mind last few days was weak. Thanks to futures, green futures is gapping up. But if you see it open and falls, it can go weak again. So 578 is a key level to watch. If you can't hold it, 576, 574, 572. Need to pass 580.63 for run up. If it runs up at open and jumps up, 582, 584.71. We still don't have a 4-hour MACD golden cross. Once that confirms, then we can count on it as have a bigger run up. And those are the higher level if it does break 584. Meta gap up 10 points. They are big buyers for Nvidia chips. So it's all about two key levels to watch actually. 477 and 481. Need to pass 481 for run up to 484, 487. If 487 passes, then it can go all the way to near 500. And 477 support level in case it pulls back at open, and those are the levels to watch. Tesla, it was strong, it went to 197 and then it pulled back pre-market. So pre-market right now, 5 is upward, 1530 is already dead cross, 1 hour we got dark blue bar, need to get 4 hour MACD golden cross for run up. Once the 4 hour, because once the 4 hour MACD golden cross or gives yellow bar, this one can go for 200, and my target is 199, 203 and 207. 207.75 is just a matter of time. Not sure when it's gonna come, maybe this week, maybe next week, maybe 2 weeks from now, but this one, it has to come in my opinion. Daily is very bullish, weekly we got a yellow bar, so 207 is the target. Watch 197.31 if for fly up. If it again goes below 194.18, then pull back a hit. Microsoft gap up 7 points. Pre-market again 15 and 5 is pointing down, 30 is a little bit curved down, so supports are 409, 406, worst case scenario 403. Need to pass 411 to run up to 415. If 415 passes, then we can go ahead for new all-time high. 415, if it close above today, high chance all-time high comes tomorrow. 416, 418, 420. Google jump up there 3 points. 4 hour very bullish. It showed a lot of relative strength last 2 days. It's opening above 144.72 right now. Still 30 minutes not MACD is not dead cross. 1 hour is very bullish. 4 hour very bullish. 146.33. Watch that one. Breaks that one. We're looking at 148, 151, 55. If it goes below 144.72, those are the support levels. AMD running up thanks to Nvidia. We are looking at 173.62. That's a major level to watch. Pre-market again, as I mentioned, a lot of names are a little bit pointing down, so there is most likely some profit locking at open, but at some point there's a high chance they're gonna bounce up big time. So 5, 15, 30 is downward, pointing down. Need to wait for the 5 and the 15 MACD golden cross. Once that confirms, run up again. Supports are 170.95, 170.12, 170.62. If we pass that one, pre-market high is 174.91. So and that's the next target. My levels are 174.29, 175, 176.45 is the next major level. 176 passes, it can head for crazy run up. Boeing, nothing special going on there. This one is just up and down, hovering around 203. SPY, big gap up, new all-time high, 504.16. That's a major level that we reached right now, and it's pulling back a little bit from it. 5/16, if we pass today at the open, we're looking at 505.95, 507.75. Those are the next major level. If we can hold 503.05, those are the next support level. Pre-market right now 1530 is a little bit pointing down. 1 hour is not dead cross yet, so it's still chance for run up. Need to see opening actions. QQQ is still 7.6 points away from all-time high. 4 hour very bullish, but the pre-market right now 5 and 15 and 30 is pointing down a little bit. So supports are 433 and 432.79. Worst case scenario 431.55. Need to pass 434.79, and then if it pass that one, next target is 436.79, major level. Most likely this level is gonna come today, but it's all about if it's gonna break it or not. If it does break it, if it close above it, then next when we're looking for 437, 439, 441 for tomorrow. What else you got here? Adobe 10 points higher. 4 hour got a golden cross. It's all about 550. If 550 can passes, next major levels are 559, 574. ARM went as high as 137, but it pulled back so far. Supports are 128.57, 126.89. Past 131, we're looking at 134, 137.06. What else you got here? LLY jump up again. Yesterday was weak, but market is green, so it's jumping up. If 765 passes, you can run back up to 775, 785. Below 758, again weakness. LRCX jump up to 931. All-time high is 955, so need to pass 931 for run up to next all-time high is 955. So if it does pass 931, next target is 955 at least minimum for the all-time high. My next long target is 1030, 1013, 1013.91. Let me just draw a fib here quickly. So this one is 931.09. 1013.91. So yeah, this one, the 950 is the next major level. We passed that one. Those are the next major. 982 is the next major level if we pass all-time high. What else you got here? Pan W doing some recovery. 4 hour need to golden cross for have a valid recovery. QCOM 2 points higher. This one 156. Come on. 156.54 is the next major level. Past that one, next target is 161.57. SMCI, they they said they are gonna have a 1.5 billion note auction or something, and then it pulled back, but then it recovered. They're selling it to institute, so it's actually bullish news. It's usually when they sell is note is not good, but this one it can help the company grow even bigger in the long term. 830, 853 is the next major level. If 853 passes, we're looking at 870, 899, 928. What else? A snow jump up 8 points. 228.22, 232 is the next major level. ASML, big jump up there, 50 points, not too far from all-time high. Next major levels are 961, 976.51. What else you got here? If there's any symbol you're interested, let me know. Etsy earning failed. SMH making almost made a new all-time high. The all-time high is 208.47. My target is 208.74. If we do pass that one, if semis go crazy today and tomorrow, we'll continue going crazy to 1997. TSM 3 points higher, 132.12. That's a key level to watch for fly up to the higher level, and those are the support levels. MU 3 points higher, 84.7 is the key level to fly up to the higher level. What else? And mRNA had an earning, they beat, so if it rounds up, we're looking at 95, 91, 100.4. Yep, that's pretty much it. In general, trend is very up, but it's a big gap up open. Just keep that in mind. When this happens, there's a lot of people that want to lock some profit at open. So there's a high chance some pullback happen at open, and then we'll see where it's gonna bounce. So keep an eye on the 5 minutes, 3 minutes MACDs. Once they confirm golden cross, we can go for a bounce up. Once the 15 minutes MACD golden cross, can go for another squeeze up. Yep, that's it. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful weekend. No, weekend is 2 days more. Anyway, have a good one. Like the video, subscribe. If you like, you can join State Option Service, and have a good one. Thank you.